What is the closing stock?
0.
0. So therefore your cost of sales how much?
5,000.
8,000. We subtract that. And then 12,500 minus 5,000. How much? That is how much?
7,000.
12,500. And how do you name this?
Gross profit.
Minus expenses. What expenses we have?
Rent,
Rent, interest,
and
other expense. How much rent?
3,500.
Interest,
100.
other expenses.
1,900.
So what is the total of this?
5,500.
And this answer is
Profit.
net
Profit.
profit. Is that clear for everybody? 2,000, no?
2,000.
Is it clear? Everybody got that answer? Now we can prepare the balance sheet also. If we are done with this, can you now try the balance sheet?
This we can say income statement.
Yeah, this is income statement actually. Now we prepare the balance sheet. Assets. Non-current assets. What we have?
Shop fixing.
Shop fittings. How much?
2,000.
Any other non-current assets? We don't have. So current assets.
Cash in bank. Share bank.
Cash at bank, right? How much?
6,500.
Any other current assets?
No.
And we can take this total. And we can take this total. And then we can take the
That.
total. The total is 8,500. Now, capital.
The total is total assets, right?
Yeah, this is total assets. Yes.
Capital 7,000.
Owner's capital
Mm.
7,000. Profit
2,000.
then we take the total of this.
Drawings.
Yeah, then we need to minus the drawings. This is 9,000. Something wrong.
No.
No.
Correct?
Yes.
Withdraw
Liability.
1,500.
Drawings how we have liability. Bank loan is there.
Yes.
I was wondering why. Right. Drawings how much?
1,500.
So that is then this is 6,500, 8,000, 7,500, right?
7,500.
And then liabilities.
Bank loan.
We have non-current liabilities. Bank loan. That is 1,000. Then if you take the total of these two, that is 8,500. Is that clear? So this is just the basic. From this only we are going to increase our difficulties and complication on a chapter by chapter. Okay. So let's now go to the textbook. So this we have done actually. This question.
The G number.
I will ask you. Okay, can we try this question?
رقم 73
Page number will be
73
97. Yani Sabah Tise, صح?
correct sir.
Hey. Can you try this question?
Okay.
Alpha has the following opening balances in its ledger accounts.
97
إيه.
79
Sabah.
Sabah Tise.
اوكي
Fixed stores دي عقود الزمن.
Fixtures يعني we are able to شوف
اللي
like
Yes,
partition. You know, in yesterday that restaurant, they like made it additional in the wall, like
decoration
this hada, ممكن decoration. Hada separate cover. Again, if you fix it to the wall, that becomes picture. So we alpha has the following. What's the question now? What is the total assets figure?
total asset
Uh,
or opening
It's
balance.
5,000.
no, they are asking total assets figure from this.
521. So total 8,000.
Pictures, trade receivable, bank account, loan. Come on.
He need opening balance or
They
or-
just asking you.
السؤال بتنزل في حاجة السؤال صبح حضرتك سعيد what is the total
Assets
assets
figure.
6
8,000.
Why 6, Mr. Bahar?
first one assets
Yeah, okay, Masi.
and the bank account also
Okay.
loan no liability
خلاص ليش هذه
trade receivable
شنو هذا؟ Trade receivable.
assets also
حبيبي debtors, customer money.
customer money
Okay, that question clear? Yes or okay?
Okay.
Can we go to this question now? This we studied before.
We
but
studied before.
we did.
Yeah.
And then what about this question? I think this also we did in revision kit.
8,000. Yes, this is also it.
Yes, sir, you okay with this question or you want to do it? Hadi.
The answer only answered this question. I can do it well.
Now I put
You,
Now you forget? Kalas. MashaAllah. Activity 7. Oh, you are doing activity 6 or 7?
so,
Can read, no?
to,
Zoom it.
yeah.
question.
Proprietor injected third dose. Modena.
to do it before
No, this question we did. Should answer.
This one or this one, I think.
ఇంత పన్నాను వల్ల పన్నానా తబా పన్నానా పన్నానా
لا فنان هذا فنان.
أنا في دكتور
Any closing
Yes, closing capital. Sir, that's what they're asking?
closing net assets.
Yes, closing net assets. Answer is in my eyes. That's the answer. Much I know.
Yeah.
Please chapter. Any again.
180.
180, yes. Abhi, okay, Allah.
I think I told you this or this, but
Answer is last one.
forget the solution.
You want me to do it?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Because this use which had cost 2,200. This for
Okay, Habibi. Remember the formula? The formula? P is equal to I, right up. P is equal to I plus D minus Ci. And then what is P? 72,500. Profit is equal to, and then they give some information here, I think. Yes. Now, what is I? I is equal to Na2 minus Na1. So you can write the equation little bit differently. P is equal to Na2 minus Na1 plus D minus Ci. So if you do that, P is equal to Na2 minus Na1 plus D minus Ci. This is 72,500. And we don't know this. And this Na1 how much? 101,700. And then the proprietor injected new capital of 8,000. So that is minus 8,000, and then withdraw goods for his private use which cost 2,200. How's it all?
yes, 2,200.
If you simplify this, you'll get the answer. Net asset at the beginning.
أيوه.
2 is net asset at the end.
Okay.
Got it, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, are you okay? Alright, with this we are done with the basics, and the next from the next chapter only we are really now going to the real accounting. From here, inventory, fixed asset, bank reconciliation, control accounts, suspense account, like that. It will go on to several discussion. So that I will start from the next class. Okay, so you stop, and I'm also not